So in this video, I'm going to try to show you really quickly how you can share a Dropbox folder with somebody if you have their email address. And usually it helps if you have the email address they use Dropbox with, but maybe that's too much to worry about for now. But really, you just need an email address and you can share a folder and they can edit it or they can just view it. So I'm in your pictures folder and we're going to pick a folder to share. How about this one? I'll go down. We'll share Eliza 2014. And to share it through your file system on your computer, you can right click it and then go to share. And then you can put the name, the email address of your friend that you want to share it with. And I put khewitt@gmail.com, can edit. You could also just select can view and then hit share. I'm going to go ahead and put can edit and click share. So that's one way you can do it, and it looks like it took and it worked because that box vanished. There's also always, we're on your computer right now, and I just did that. I shared that through Dropbox. Again, I did that by right-clicking and sharing using this item with the Dropbox. You don't want to use there's other options that look similar, like give access to, that's not right. You want it to be through the Dropbox app. There is a Dropbox equivalent on the web. If you prefer to actually go onto the web to do this, sometimes it's easier. So here I am at dropbox.com and I am logged in to Wilbur Cleaves. And if over here on the left, if you click My Files, it shows you all the files that Dropbox backs up for you. And you can do the exact same thing. It's actually sometimes a little bit easier on their website. And go into My Pictures. These are all the identical pictures from your computer. But again, we're on the web. We're in a web browser at dropbox.com now. And we're going to scroll down. And let's go find that Eliza folder and see if we can see how it's set up. I'm scrolling, looking for the E's. There we go. We see on this Eliza 2014, there's 2 members. Notice how when we hover over it, it says Kim Hewitt and Wilbur Cleaves. Remember, we shared this folder from your computer, but anyway, it's also shared up here. You can also share, from here. So like how can we do that? You could select a folder and click share, and it's the same thing. You just type the email address of your friend or your multiple friends, select how they can access it, and then click share. And you can see it sharing that Arkansas fish favorites with me now. Okay. So most of the folders are only you, but if you kind of look, you see some of them have more than one member because they've been shared also with me. But most of them I did not share. I was unable to share the whole pictures with myself. So that's Dropbox. That's how you can share a folder with other people, and they can edit and they can probably add to it. You don't want to give editing rights to just anybody. You're going to want to give view rights to most people because you can't trust most people. You can only trust me. All right. I will shut this down for now then. All right. Thanks.